Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So if you were with me last week, then you know we drew Peter Griffin as Santa, along with Brian as a reindeer, from last year's Family Guy holiday special, ushering in the 25th anniversary of Seth MacFarlane's incredible creation. But now with Christmas upon us, I thought we would celebrate a little early and drop this week's video on Christmas Eve. And what better way to do that than by drawing the big man himself, Santa Claus. So here's a bit of fun history. A huge reason Santa Claus looks the way he does today, jolly, round, red-suited, white beard, is thanks to the early Coca-Cola Christmas ads. If you look at images of Santa in the early part of the last century and before, his appearance varied. Sometimes he was tall and thin, sometimes wearing browns, greens, furs, bishop robes, or even looking more like a woodland spirit than the jolly old elf that we know today. But beginning in the 1930s, illustrator Haddon Sundblom created a series of warm, magical Santa paintings for Coca-Cola, and those images quickly became the blueprint for the modern Santa that we all picture today. That jolly old elf with a big white beard, the Coca-Cola red suit over his round belly, rosy cheeks, and a twinkle in his eye. That iconic look is the inspiration of our lesson today. So on that note, let's draw. We're going to draw our cartoon version of the classic Haddon Sundblom Coca-Cola Santa step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In our drawing today, Santa is just under 6 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the basic oval we use to shape out Santa's head in our roadmap, his entire body will be just under 6 of those tall, with the Santa hat sticking up just a bit above that head. Okay, so what do you say we draw the roadmap for our classic Coca-Cola Santa? So there's our roadmap for our Santa Claus drawing. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our scene using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible, or as I call it, whispering on paper. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position Santa's face, features, and overall shape, but we don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So we want to draw them light enough that we can erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our classic Santa Claus. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of our Coca-Cola Santa drawing. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Santa Claus. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. The goal is to always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details of our classic Santa Claus. And that's how you do it. There it is, our cartoon version of Haddon Sundblom's Coca-Cola Santa Claus. Warm, jolly, and full of holiday cheer. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn any version of Santa before, then you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Santa drawing during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing a cartoon version of Haddon Sundblom's Coca-Cola Santa. And with that, you can draw it again and again. And by all means, color it when you're done. I promise each time you draw it, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your version of our Santa Claus drawing. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. And until next time, keep drawing, my friends.